We're going to watch an edited version of Ricardo's lesson. It starts with a warmer, that's a warm-up activity, which sets the scene for the rest of the class.
So hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you very much. It's good that you are here. Thank you very much for being here. So basically you will see that I wrote some things on the board. Take a look at them. And quickly in your pair, so you two, you two, you two, you two, and you two, discuss the following. What do they have in common? Okay, so talk 2 minutes, talk together. What do they have in common? Talk together. All right, so compare quickly. You three talk together. You three talk together. Compare ideas quickly. All right, so let's stop here. So, any ideas? What do they have in common? Sorry?
It's food.
Yeah, it's kind of food. Excellent. Any other ideas?
Agricultural products.
Agricultural products. Okay, that's another good idea. Any other?
Vegetables?
Vegetables. Okay, yes. Yummy. Do you like vegetables?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes, that's one thing that they have in common. Now take a look at these three names here I wrote at the bottom. Francisco Hernández de Córdoba, Juan Grijalva, Hernán Cortés. What do they have in common? Quickly, 2 minutes, again in your pairs. Yes, please. That was easier, right? Okay, that was easier. So, what do they have in common? They are conquerors. Our conquerors, yes. And so, Spanish names, yeah. But now try and really discuss 2 more minutes in your pairs. Then what's the relation between these three guys and all of these products I wrote before? Talk together, 2 minutes. In your pairs, please. All right. So any ideas?
That maybe that people export those products from Mexico to Europe.
So these guys actually took these products from Mexico to Spain. That's your idea. We see about that. Any other theories?
That thanks to them, all those products went to Europe.
Okay, these products went to Europe. Okay, so, surprise. These are products that Spaniards brought to us.
Yeah.
Oh yes, we'll find that out. Oh yes. Oh, well, careful. Chili pepper. Let's see, because sometimes we might get confused. And then this in chili pepper.
Now that the students are ready and engaged with the topic of this content-driven lesson, Ricardo moves on to the main focus of what's going to happen. He gives students a series of statements, and they have to decide if they're true or false by discussing with each other. Later on, they'll use mobile devices to do research on these statements, but for now, they have to talk to each other to see what they think.
But now let's learn a little bit more about history. But I want to see how much you know about history. So I've got here 6 statements. Please discuss them in your pairs for 3 to 5 minutes and decide if they are true or false. And this is about, what's the topic then? You said about people coming from Spain here to conquer Mexico. All right, so that's the topic. So what do we do with this? We discuss and decide what? They are true or false. Okay, is this in pairs?
Yes.
How long?
2, 3.
Oh yes, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. So you two work together. You two please work together. Okay, continue on. How are we doing? Difficult?
He was defeated once.
I'm really old.
Cortez
Oh, maybe all of us.
was defeated, okay? Once. That's what it means. Once. But at the end, they won.
Exactly. Okay, fine. How are we doing?
Cortez was.
Are we good at history? You don't know. Okay, we'll see. How are we doing?
Yes.
Yes, okay. You're trying. It's not a test, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay?
We're okay.
That's good. How are we doing? Easy or difficult?
Just like the first one, because I don't know the dates, I don't remember.
All right, it's difficult to remember all
Yeah,
dates, right?
but I remember I saw a documentary about this. Yeah, sticks.
Yes.
When